How to delete business manager or business portfolio on Meta. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to do this, you just have to simply search for Facebook business meta or business.com, and then here you can see this first link over here. You have to tap onto this address, and after tapping onto this address you just have to simply go, and let me show you. You just have to simply go through this site, and you are good to go. And from there you have to tap onto this icon, and here you can see this your business portfolio. You just have to tap onto your business portfolio, and for example here business info, and from here at the top right corner here you can see this permanently delete business. Simply tap onto permanently delete business, and then simply tap onto delete portfolio, and it will load, and then you're good to go. So this is how you can delete your business portfolio. Here you can just tap on to back to Facebook, and your portfolio will be deleted. So that is it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.